XRP has experienced a 3,000% liquidation imbalance, and it has certainly rocked the XRP market a little bit here in the last couple days. Right now, XRP down 2% to $3.14. We're still up 3% in the last 7 days, but after spiking up to 337 here just 3 days ago, we're back down to 314. So I want to get you guys inside into what's going on exactly, the information you need to see. So make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button, weigh in with your thoughts. We're going to do some diving into what's happening with the markets, what's happening with XRP, and appreciate you all for being here as well. Coming back to the channel each and every day. We're here grinding together, doing everything we can to position ourselves accordingly here for hopefully a Q4 blast off. XRP has had a tremendous run already, guys. It's up 461% in the last year. One of the top movers and shakers right now in the market. But this outlined it perfectly, and it's exactly what happened. So CoinGlass, which is a great data point, painted a stark picture for XRP with a split between 1.24 million from longs and just 54,000 from shorts in terms of the $1.29 million worth that was closed within 60 minutes earlier this morning and into this afternoon. So what we saw was a picture that was very one-sided. 14 million in XRP liquidation since yesterday, 11 million from longs. So we're getting a lot of longs liquidated right now on the leverage side. Most of the damage occurred in the previous 4 hours with right around 7 million in long contracts done and dusted versus only 270,000 on the short side. Price action, too, is telling a story. XRP traded just above 320 after reaching 318 with a failed bounce that never reached a higher high. Although we're seeing some short-term volatility, things are still looking on the up and up when we zoom out. And we'll get into that in this video as well. Taking a look at this chart here on the weekly, things still look pretty good. Strong buy on the moving averages. We have, teetered a little bit with the oscillators, but moving average-wise, things still look very, very good for XRP on the weekly time frame. As long as we stay above this $3 level, which is our new psychological level, things do look pretty decent here for XRP to make another run up. Now, there's more I want to get into here in the video, and real quick, in terms of the target that we're watching here short term, we need an XRP close above 326. This would unlock a short squeeze right back up to 330, and then we could really start back up again, right? Start the trend back up again. Remember, we wicked up to 336, held the line right around 330 for a little bit before coming down. So 330 acts as kind of our short-term resistance. Right in that range. We'll say 326 to 330. If we can show strength in that range and get above it, things look really good for continued support to the upside when it comes to XRP. Now, across the board, there's a lot of chatter in the cryptocurrency space, a lot of chatter, things that are relating to the success of crypto right now, and obviously some of the turmoil as well. This came down a couple days ago. Trump's order clears regulatory path for crypto in 401k plans. This is huge for XRP. Once we get kind of all of the garbage cleared on the roads, right? We're going to see XRP ETFs, in my opinion. We're going to see basket ETFs. We're going to see institutional demand, 401k plans that include, I think, some of the top assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP right there, all at the top. But what does this really mean for the future here? U.S. regulators have been instructed to ease rules so plan sponsors can consider crypto 401k menus. This administration's policy shift could bring Bitcoin ETFs and similar products into retirement plans. So right now we just have the Ethereum ETF, but soon I think we'll have basket ETFs with XRP included, solo XRP ETFs. We talked about yesterday, the likelihood that BlackRock will file for an XRP ETF when the timing is right. They will become a fast mover into this market once they're fully able to operate in it, right? And that is, what we've been saying for a really long time. There's been a lot of whispers about BlackRock's connection with XRP, and a lot of people came at me in my video yesterday. What I really want to tell you guys is the real firm area, where I think there's a huge connection between BlackRock and Ripple is this asset right here, Ondo Finance. Okay, they are tokenizing U.S. treasuries and equities. They're working alongside Ripple to do this, alongside some other protocols, and Ripple is partnered with Ondo. So there is a direct link here between BlackRock and Ripple through Ondo Finance and tokenization. This is something we forget a lot about when it comes to XRP. Yes, cross-border payments, remittances, these are huge areas and focuses, focal points for XRP and Ripple, the company. But tokenization, in my opinion, is the biggest play here. It is the biggest opportunity. We're seeing tokenization happen in Dubai with XRP. This, to me, is where there's smoke and where I think there's fire with the connections between BlackRock and Ripple, just to be clear from the video we put out yesterday. Now, coming across to some other things here real quick, I Trust Capital, if you're looking to hold assets long-term in an IRA, I Trust Capital's been doing the damn thing for a really long time in the United States. I am partnered up with them. If you're looking to hold XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, for your next generations of kids or kids' kids, or just for yourself long-term, you could trust I Trust Capital. They are the leader and the game changer right now in the market. So I'll leave my link down below. You've got tax advantages where you can buy and sell crypto 24/7, low cost, no monthly fee here as well. And you can fund it with as low as $1,000. If you decide to do this and fund it even with $1,000, you're going to get a $100 funding bonus when you sign up using my promo code linked down below. And if you click see promo code, you'll see this. Use promo code ZAC7 and sign up right now to get started. There's a link down below for that. A lot of other small caps on the move as well. Bio is a decentralized science play that we got into at 100 mil. It's popping up to 217 right now. Love to see that. So shout out to those people making some moves and making some trades. You guys know XRP Army. We're playing all different angles here in the market to try to stack more XRP, to try to stack more Bitcoin, to try to stack more of the top assets. XRP right now, $186 billion market cap still. We just crossed over 4 trillion in overall market cap. But still, it feels like the best is yet to come this cycle. We're still gearing up for the big Q4 rally. And I think a lot of people excited about what's coming. And if you want to get in the know for free, download my free newsletter, guys. Sign up right now. Name and email, top of the description. You'll find that and the I Trust Capital link down there. And I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll be back with more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.